Welcome to Compliance Crew Coordinator, our Codegeist 2025 Forge app built for the Williams Racing Challenge. It turns Jira issues into a living compliance checklist for race control, ops, and software teams. Most teams still manage audits and controls in static spreadsheets or long Confluence pages. That makes it hard for engineers in the pit lane to know what really matters on the ticket in front of them. CCC brings those checks into the Jira issue itself, right where work happens. Here we're in our hero story. Improve FW47 telemetry alerting for race control. On the right, you can see the Compliance Crew Coordinator panel attached to this issue. Opening it gives compliance and delivery a shared view of risk for this specific change. CCC ships with a small catalog of templates tuned for this demo. Sprint Hygiene, Basics, Williams Racing, Release Readiness, and Williams Racing, Incident and Anomaly Review. Each template is a bundle of checks that describes what good looks like for that type of work. Pick the template that fits, and CCC does the rest. When we run an audit, CCC evaluates the current issue against those rules and returns a simple traffic light decision. Green is go. All checks passed, ready to roll. Yellow is caution. There are warnings to tighten up before we ship. Red is a no-go flag when critical gaps are still open. Below the headline, you can see every rule that passed or failed. For each failing check, CCC shows a short description, severity, and a human-readable hint like assign an owner or add rollback steps. That makes it easy for an engineer to fix issues without reading a 40-page policy document. We've also wired in an AI helper stub on the incident review template. Clicking AI Draft shows how a remediation summary or next step checklist could look for this no-go incident. In a production deployment, this is where you would plug in Rovo or your preferred LLM provider. Under the hood, every template is just data. In the repo, templates live in a simple JavaScript file with IDs, descriptions, severities, and rule configs for each check. That makes it easy to version control your controls, review changes, and share a standard catalog across teams. CCC is built on Atlassian Forge with a custom UI issue panel and a lightweight Node.js backend. The front end calls a single resolver that runs the compliance engine, loads templates, and, if enabled, talks to an external AI service. Everything runs inside Atlassian's hosted platform, so you inherit Jira's auth, permissions, and audit logging. For the Williams Racing brief, we imagine CCC powering a digital compliance pit wall. The same engine could roll up hundreds of issues into a pit wall dashboard that shows go, caution, and no-go across projects and pipelines. From there, we can add scheduled audits, JSM tickets, and links straight into Confluence runbooks. That's Compliance Crew Coordinator, a small but opinionated pit crew for risk and compliance. Check out the repo and DevPost page for setup instructions, and tell us what other frameworks you'd plug into this engine. Thanks for watching.